Aloha world! We are up early getting the space ready for the new refrigerator over here. We placed some of the food into the ice box, the meat and all. There's Venus's mattress. That's the old fridge. Took a while to remove it, and we had to clean the floor and the walls because a bunch of cobwebs. These were inside the refrigerator. Bunch of sauces, biscuit mix, and drink. What can you say about waking up early and cleaning this morning?
Bleh.
Mo. Seriously? I did most of the work.
You did most of the work. You are great.
You're
I guess if I had to say something, I would say thank you.
You're welcome. And I made you coffee. Maonisha World, the last fridge, or the broken one. It's a two-sided door. It's French doors. Maonisha freezer area. Here's the ice maker. There's a bunch of bins over here. We already unplugged it and I removed everything from whatever was stored inside. It was full. And over here, of course, there's the water filling area. There's the setting area for both the freezer and the fridge. And then these are the areas where you could put all of the food. Here's the one for the meat, the veggies, and then all that. And then over here on the side where you place the butter and the milk and everything else. Maonisha World. The one we got yesterday was similar. It has of course, the ice maker and the dispenser right here. It has a light. And you can do either crushed ice or cubed ice. The water comes out of here, filtered water. And yeah, it's expensive. We paid $105K for the new one, but it's really big. It is 33 inches deep, 36 inches wide, so it's 3 foot, and 69 inches high. Well, we have our delivery. Hello world! Fridge is here! Yay! The fridge is here.
That's how you do it, right there, with the straps. Oh yeah.
Wow, that's heavy.
Careful your fingers.
Bato pa. No, di ano yan.
Hay que quitarle los tornillos.
Yo creo que ya pasó, tira ahí.
No, yo lo estoy mirando.
Oh,
No ha pasado.
no. Ninguno. Ninguno.
Sí.
Ok.
Dale, dale, dale.
Yay!
Yay!
Un ladito.
Yay!
You don't see this before?
Yeah!
Yay!
Yeah, it's not that style. I've seen the other with its two.
Oh,
And then, yeah, but I haven't
So,
seen.
well, the new refrigerator is here. Honey's checking it out. It's big. It's humongous. Iba thinks it's too big.
It's always bad when the refrigerator goes and then you get water out come out in the morning. You're like, oh shit.
Yay! Here we are, world. We have the new refrigerator.
Almost.
You scared me. Almost there. Yay! Now we have the new refrigerator. We put Venus outside because there were 3 guys in here installing the stuff. New fridge is pretty, right, honey?
Yes.
Look, honey. Pretty. Yay! It's too high. And let's see, right here. Hold on, I want to see the inside. Let's see. So it's very similar to the old one.
I think it seems like there's
And
a little bit
it's-
more shelf space.
Yes, it's nicer. There's humidity controls over here. Nice LED lights so the bulb doesn't stick out, so there's actually more space, and that's why I bought it. Remember, the other one has the bulb sticking out, so it's hard to put like wine.
Gotta be, let's let it get cold.
Hey! Hey! Don't work. And the guy said don't touch the temperature because it's automatic and it will set itself. Freezer temperature, filter status, the water,
If we
crushed
want to adjust it, we'll
cubed
wait 24
light.
hours or something like that. I think is what he said.
Lock
Wait a day.
controls. Okay. Very nice. There we go. $2,100. 105,000 pesos. Beth was like, that's too big. It looks like a house. Is it too big, honey? It's nice. I did good?
You did very good.
I did good, measured twice. It's perfect. Congratulations to a work well done. Honey too.
Congratulations.
And that's it, world. Aloha. Say bye, honey.
Aloha.